guys, so good morning guys, like and subscribe to our channel. So we're playing this game. So now we're playing this game. The best game ever. Yeah. I played this game like once or two? Something like that. I don't know. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Can somebody help me? Oh. Where the hell is me? So this is my avatar. I don't know what my avatar looks like. Please, I'm scared about that. Oh, she's NPC. Do you? Oh, she say this so bad. I can't do like this. Oh hi, can I? What a good day. Okay. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. I love pizza so much. And what? Oh, nothing. I thought we were doing anything. We can read books. So cool. So I play this game, but I know how to do it, but I don't know a little bit. This is fun. So I want to find NPC. Where's NPC? I want NPC. What she say? D. Why do you do like this? I hate this so much. Dude, can you give me? This is fun. Okay, where is this? I want to read my books. So, today is my birthday. It's her birthday. Ow! Oh no, I'm scared. Is mother's gonna kill me or no? I'm scared. Don't kill me. Okay, I'm scared a little bit. Yes, I'm scared. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So we're going. I'm scared. Oh, we didn't do it. Yes, I'm waiting. D. Why am I saying this so much? What is that? Oh, yes, I got a candle. So cool. So we want to find those things. So many things. I'm hungry. Can you give this to Hattler? What? Oh, sure. I'm waiting. D. Okay, I hate this so much. I got a cancel already. Okay, I'll do it again. Can I? Oh, so cool! I can do this. I didn't know that I can do like that. Oh, so what? She say 1 + 1 is 2. Okay, I-L-U. Okay, she said that. Oh my gosh. Okay. So where's mom? I don't see mom today. NPC again. NPC. Okay, I don't. Why NPC is not? Everything's being NPC so badly. Okay, I want to go outside. So I want to see. Can I go there? Yes, I can. Oh, hi. Why is this so hard? Get a sandwich. Oh, get a sandwich? What sandwich? So I want to find more items. I hate myself. Do you like? Not this again. Hey. Okay, this again. I hate it so much. I got. Why I can't respond? Okay. Do somebody is good? No, I hate this. I want to go to the kitchen. Why can't I run? So this is the kitchen. Not the kitchen also. Yes, I don't know. Also, what is that? Also, it's loud. I don't know why it's not loud. My name is Mark. Please. That no, the mother, no, mother, please don't. No, mama, I'm scared. Please don't me. Please don't me. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Scared. Okay, I don't know what to do, so I'm scared a little bit. So, the mother see me like that, and I don't know, she can kill me. Oh my god. OMG, oh my gosh. I want to say something for mom. Mom! No. Don't go, mom. Don't go. Please don't go. Mom. I say mom. Mom. I say mom. Mom. Ban taco. Oh, hey. I hate this so much. Yes. Raining tacos. Yakotaka. Mom. Oh. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? I want to say a bad word. Lol. I'm scared. Mom. I'm scared. I'm running. I am running away. Oh, he's saying that. Mom. Hi. Oh my gosh. I want to say D already. Lol, mom. Oh my gosh. I want to say two. Lol, mom. I see that. Okay, so she didn't do anything. Notice? Me. Okay. He got the key, so cool. Okay. No, I can't go there, so please don't show me. I don't know what happened to her, guys. Also, he said, I'm hungry. And guys, like and subscribe to subscribe to our channel, and I can say the part 2 at the end of, so you can see my avatar looks. 1 second. Oh, 1 second, guys. I don't know what happened to me. I don't know what happened to me. Also, I don't know what happened to me. I'm scared. Is it me or him? Me? I'm scared. Okay, we have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it me? Whew, okay, it's good. And like and subscribe to our channel, guys. So, I'm so hungry. I don't love to play that game. Oh my god, it's so scare me, guys. Also, I'm Chef. It's cool. so many. I love it. I love this. So cool. Ooh, dance. Quick, 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 quick. And guys, like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.